What if your entire syllabus fit on one organized page? I know it sounds impossible when you're drowning in thick textbooks and messy notes, but that's exactly what Chartbook does. It transforms all your study chaos into clean, organized revision charts. Everything you need to know, simplified and ready for review. Stop wasting time. Study smarter.
Hi everyone, this is CMA Prachi Agrawal. I am alumna and your Gen Z mentor. In today's class, we're going to study about startup and entrepreneurship subject. This is the all new subject, altogether new concepts, and we are going to study it in such a manner that you will going to rock in examinations. First of all, this subject is 101% theoretical. पूरा का पूरा थ्योरी पेपर आता है इसका, बट विल गोइंग टू स्टडी इट 100% प्रैक्टिकल मैनर सो दैट यू विल रिमेंबर ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट्स, बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्ट्स लर्न करना इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन के लिए और वही लाइफ में भी काम आते हैं. So this is all about business. We're going to study about the businesses, how they build, how they rock, and everything. So first of all, I request each and everyone to think about one business idea of for yourself or any idea whichever comes to your mind, because when we will study this topic, I will give many examples. I will let you think about your business. I will give you homeworks to make vision statement, mission statement, elevator page. अभी लग रहा है कितने बड़े बड़े jargons है, but we will going to study each and everything detail in classroom. So I request all of you to just think about one idea and then put all the concepts into that idea. Then you will like examination में कभी कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं आएगी कि what is entrepreneurship, what is entrepreneur, what is startup, anything. You will like I know everything because you have applied in your business. I have studied this in IIM Raipur that application is most important. And I have done entrepreneurship expertise only. So in that area, in that classes, we are equipped with this knowledge that you have to think about your business, you have to start your business, you have to invest in your business, and like that. That's why I'm explaining you and I'm letting you to think about your idea so that in future whenever you will going to start your business, it will helpful for you to start. Okay. My business idea was that first I'm going to tell you about what was the my business idea. My business idea was to make a brand for education system, like a online platform with affordable fees so that anybody can afford it, because education is something like samaj seva also for me. Okay, so in that case, my USP of my business is what? You are asking like what is USP? So we will study it now. First of all, I would like to teach what is the difference between startup and business. This is the most important. Everyone fails here only. Like they don't know what is difference between startup and business. So business anybody can do, but startup is something daring work. Not everyone can do it, okay? So what is difference between the both of them? Traditionally, anybody see like ये लोकेशन पे ना किराना दुकान नहीं, let's open it. ये कॉलेज के पास कैंटीन नहीं है, लेट्स ओपन इट. थिंक लाइक दैट, पीपल थिंक लाइक दैट एंड दे जस्ट ओपन इट. एंड चलती भी थी, ऐसा नहीं कि चलती नहीं थी. इट वर्क ऑल्सो, चलती भी थी वो. बट स्टार्टअप और बिजनेस में ये डिफरेंस है कि स्टार्टअप इज समथिंग विच इज रिस्क टेकिंग. विच इज रिस्क. इसमें क्या होता है? रिस्क. व्हाट इज दैट? इन्वेस्टमेंट. मैम इन्वेस्टमेंट तो इसमें भी होता है, यस, बट इसमें कुछ तो भी यूनिक चीज होती है ना. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज स्टार्टअप. स्टार्टअप इज समथिंग दैट इज हैव USP. What is USP? We will study further in class, but now I'm explaining what is difference between both of them. So startup is something which is built fast, which is scalable, which has like करोड़ों का business, and business is not based on that. बिजनेस इज लाइक यहाँ पे कोई शॉप नहीं, लेट्स ओपन इट, लेट रन इट. किराना दुकान इस दुनिया में बहुत सारी हो सकती है, I belong to Raipur. We have ample number of kirana dukan in every corner. But after that also, I used to order from Big Basket and Blinkit. Why? Because they are solving my problem, which is I need everything at my home, my place. I don't have time to go outside. I don't want to go outside. I just want things in my home. They are delivering same thing at my home. So that is startup. Blinkit is providing 29 rupees Amul ka doodh ka packet at my home, and same milk is also available in Kirana shop, which is located nearby my home. So the Kirana shop is business, but Blinkit is a startup. They are providing something which nobody is giving. Nobody is giving. आप बोलोगे सिर्फ एक दूध का पैकेट आज चाहिए मेरे को, कोई ला के नहीं देगा आपको. Nobody will going to give you. But Blinkit is solving that problem. They are doing that. Big Basket is also doing that. So startups are something which solve your pain problems. They they move around the world and see what problems are there, what are the little problem or little pain. You don't want to go outside of your home, that is your pain. So there is a app. You don't want to call and talk and book the cab like that. So go to local people, talk to them, bargain. They will show different prices to different people. You don't like all that. So that's why there is Ola. When Ola came, the founder faced the problem that they are between the highway, they are standing in the highway and they are not getting cab. And that's what the problem they are facing. And then they started Ola. Ola came because there was a problem. So startup came when you solve something. Startup का मोटो ही है कि तुमको कुछ तो solve करना है, and you have to solve that problem in something unique way. Nobody has think like we can book Ola by using phone, but now you are using it like that. Zomato came to solve the problem of home delivery, like food home delivery. Hostel people can't go at night 10 p.m., 12 p.m. They can use Zomato. They are solving problem. Now everybody is using Zomato, Swiggy. So that is something somebody is solving, that is startup. But everybody is doing something that is called business, which anybody can do. Everyone can, like I have 10 shops in Raipur. There is a locality called Jaistam Chowk. There are many phone shops. All have same phones, same price, but all are profitable. They are running like everybody have same phone. There are also one bazaar where there is all jeweler shops line say. All these are business. They are doing business. All of them are doing same thing, only they can little bit changes and design, sometime price like that, little bit changes, but they are running. But startup is something that is doing, taking risk. Why ma'am, why risk? Because you have to create awareness for that also ना. अब आपको कैब बुक करनी है, you need to book a cab by Ola. बट अभी कंट्री में किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि हम फोन से भी कैब बुक कर सकते हैं, किसी को नहीं पता है. तो यू नीड टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस फॉर दैट ना. यू नीड टू tell people that there is a app, you can use it, you can book it, then people will trust it and then they will book it. So you have to create market for that. For that you need risk, you have to take risk, you need investment, extra investment for that, क्योंकि marketing करना होगा ना. Nowadays marketing is a big game. Everybody is doing marketing only. If you are not doing marketing, your business is not running. So marketing के लिए पैसा चाहिए. स्टार्टअप को इसलिए ज्यादा पैसा लगता है एज कम्पेयर टू बिजनेस, बिकॉज देर इज नो नीड टू क्रिएट एनी अवेयरनेस. बट इन स्टार्टअप दे नीड अवेयरनेस. You need to create awareness, you need to do marketing, you need to make people understand what are you solving. Then only they will believe in you and your startup will grow. So now we're going to touch the topic of USP. What is USP? USP is unique selling proposition, meaning we are giving something that nobody is giving. इसको यूएसपी कहते हैं. लाइक फॉर आवर ब्रांड वी आर giving money back guarantee or guaranteed success, which means if you don't clear examination we will give you money back. So that is our USP. Student will trust us for that USP. That's why I call my brand as a startup, because I have a brand, I have taken risk, I have make awareness, I'm doing marketing for that. So that's why we are startup, and we are solving pain problem also. We have made a notes, chart book notes. For that you can go through before examination very quickly, and we have cluttered all the classes in such a short duration that you can revise 5 times a day, or a 5 time per attempt. Okay, per attempt. So USP is something that is unique, and it can be a process, a product, a competitor, a supplier, anything which is making you different from others is a USP. If you are different from supplier point of view, your supplier is giving you like use discounts because you are relative, that is your USP. You know, Maruti has a big USP that they have lots of land in India, so their fixed cost is very low as compared to brands which are not Indian. They need to come and on rent, or they have to invest so much money in fixed cost. But Maruti is playing game there. It is competitive edge. What is competitor edge? Competitor edge is something which is more slightly for you beneficial feature than your competitor. If your competitor has no land and you have lots of land, so you can do cost cutting there, and that's why you have competitive edge over there. So this is all about the startup. We have touched on every small topics that is relatable. Now we'll go to chart book, and I'll teach you each and every keywords which belong to your content, and we'll study from there. Okay. Okay, let me tell you about this chart book. This chart book is available in Amazon. The price of chart book is 999. If you want to take soft copy, you can buy the classes and get free soft copy in our app. Please, download option available nahi hai. Don't ask us for download option. You can view in app only. And if you want a printed edition, you need to buy from us at 999 from Amazon or WhatsApp anything. Okay. Let me tell you something about Chartbook. This is Chartbook basically for CMA final students, elective paper 20C, and this is 100% based on CMA syllabus. Okay, chapter wise everything is covered in this. I am CMA Prachi, you know. This is WhatsApp number. You can do WhatsApp in this number. I can zoom for you. This is a WhatsApp number. You can place order for printed edition to this number, and you will get. Okay. Okay, for demo you can refer to our YouTube channel, and this is our app QR code. You can download from Play Store. Papa app is there, where you can access ebook for the free of cost. You can watch ebook there. Okay, but you cannot download or print it. Okay, this is our brand website. Now about the author, if you want to know about me, I am CMA Prachi Agrawal. I have cleared my examination in December 24. I teach audit and startup subject. I'm an educator, entrepreneur, founder, etc. etc. Okay, I'm teaching since 5 years, and my qualifications are there. I'm a CMA BCom, and I have done entrepreneurship. I am Raipur plus I'm prompt engineer too. Okay, I have secured exemptions in more than 8 papers in inter and final. This book is meant for anybody who want to learn about startup. Basically 100% based on syllabus of 22 syllabus for CMA final students, paper 20C. Okay, this is the weightage of our paper. Like first 15 हर जो हमारा section है first का 15% weightage रखता है, and then other 4 chapters contain 10% weightage. Okay, we're going to study this in very detail. Okay, in this fast track batch only we'll learn everything. So we are starting our chapter 1, that is the entrepreneur ecosystem. Okay, what do you mean by entrepreneur ecosystem? First question is that. Okay, first of all tell me what is entrepreneurship and what is startup mean? Startup तो अभी अपन समझ लिए. Startup and business, what is the difference between them? Now we're going to what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the process in which we take risk, we invest in our business, and we start making our dream idea true into reality. We market, we sell, and we rock. That is entrepreneurship. It is a process, and startup is a idea, a USP idea, which is a brand. You can call that. Okay, matlab it is a final product. Startup is, but the process is entrepreneurship. So entrepreneur is a person who take risk, who invest money, who implement his idea, who validate its idea. इतने भारी भारी वर्ड्स फिर से बोल दी, मैं समझ नहीं आया. It's okay. We're going to learn slowly. Okay. First, entrepreneur is a ये पर्सन होता है, ठीक है, एक इंसान होता है. ये एक बंदा है जिसका नाम क्या है, बंदी है, प्राची. ओके, लेट मी कॉल हर प्राची, जो कि मैं हूँ. ओके, सो आई एम अ फाउंडर, आई एम ए एंटरप्रेन्योर. वाई मैम, वाई यू आर एंटरप्रेन्योर? बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन दिस होल स्टूडियो, I have taken risk to teach you and make you CMA one day, and I am invested money in this. I am investing my time. My all friends, maximum of my friends are doing job, earning well, buying home, car, making their dream true, and I am here struggling, making videos and dreaming that one day I'll become successful. So founder is that who dream, who think, who generate ideas, implement it, work day by day, work hard, and have long term vision. Long term vision. That person is called entrepreneur. Okay. Then entrepreneur action. Entrepreneur action is a efforts which you are giving in your business. I'm doing marketing, huge influencer marketing, huge making videos in YouTube, making you aware. That is my efforts for my brand. Okay, so that is entrepreneur action. Now pause the video and think about your business idea and think, if you are an entrepreneur, what thing you need to do and what actions you need to do for your business, what efforts you need to make for your brand, because dreaming does not make brands, implementation makes it. If you only dream, you will become Sheikh Chilli ka khayali pulao. But if you convert your planning, plotting, dreaming, vision, everything, and make something fruitful out of that after actions, efforts, then it is a entrepreneur action and you are going to make them startup. Okay, so think about that. Then we'll move to next word, that is innovation. What is innovation? Innovation is introduction of anything, any model, any business model which is not existing. When I was in college, one of my friend Karan is making clothes from banana waste. So that is his innovation. He has done PhD and making clothes. This clothes he is making from banana waste. Banana का जो छिलका होता है उससे he is making clothes. So that is innovation. You are making something which is already existing but in a different method. You are not using threads, you are using banana waste. You are making anything which is not like that but making something fruitful out of it. Something new, something out of the box. That is innovation. In this, you can take example of Flipkart also. Now you will learn one more word here. Disruption. What is disruption? First, I'll teach you this word. Disruption means you are making anything which is not a everyday efforts. Matlab, not everyone is using that method of doing business. And if you are making that, that is disruption. Like Flipkart has done when Flipkart started e-commerce business. they started they studied India market. India में लोगों को क्या पसंद है? They like products in their home and they don't trust anybody and they don't like to pay first. They just need first product and then they want to pay. So they like COD. What we learn? They like COD. So Flipkart cracked this and started e-commerce website and started giving COD option. After availing COD option, many people started buying from Flipkart. So they have created disruption. They have started e-commerce business in a such a way that people will force to buy it. The people attract to buy it. So that is disruption. You are creating some other way in which that's why people are attracted to your brand, your business. Okay. So now we are taking next word, that is vision. Vision. Vision word is something that is most frequently used word and many of you know the meaning of vision. But in startups, what vision means, we're going to talk about that. Vision is something, a long term goal, you can say that. Like a dream which is long term, like a being CMA is your vision, because being CMA takes a substantial time. You need to clear foundation, inter, then final. In between, you have to do articleship. So it is a long process, and you want to become CMA. That is your vision. What is goals, targets? Small, which are into the part. Okay, but vision is something bigger. Okay, end goal. Okay, looking forward strategically is vision. Okay, now next, organization. Organization is a place where people work together with optimum utilization of resources and systematical coordination of capital, labor and technology, where you can integrate each and everything. Okay, then enterprise. What do you understand by enterprise? Enterprise is a place where you form to employ people, do productivity, organize organization, and deliver product to your customer. Okay, so what is the difference between organization and enterprise? So organization is a place where people work together for a same goal. Like it can be a department. It shouldn't be like profitable or non-profitable. But in case of enterprise, it should be profitable. It is a broader term like Google, Microsoft. These are big company. So that come under enterprise. But organization is can be school, college, like that. It is not necessary to be profitable for organization. And I can give you one more example. If you open a little coffee shop, that is your organization. But if you open Starbucks, it is an enterprise, because it covers everything. It is a brand. It is all over the world, and it has lot of works like handling many departments all together. But running a coffee shop is not that big deal. So that's why that can be organization, and Starbucks is enterprise. Okay, Ola can be enterprise because they're connecting people via app for traveling from one place to another. Then economic development. What is economic development? And what is gig economy? Gig economy means when you give employment for short term period, for freelancing or somewhat like that. Because when we have a startup, we don't have too much money to spend and experiment our idea is working or not. For that, we need people who are passionate to work despite of money. So that is gig economy, in which we hire freelancers, we hire people temporarily for experimenting our startup idea, and then it can be like that only. Okay, So gig economy employment is that. And economic development means when we start any startup, we develop economy because we provide employment, we invest in a business, and it is a all value chain you are creating. You are taking for supplier, taking from supplier anything, like I have taken this board from supplier. I am in service industry, but for that also I need to buy assets now. So I have bought this board from supplier. I am rendering my services via app to you. To you matlab you are what? You are student, for students. So I'm creating a whole value chain which is economic development. I'm contributing to economic development. Then risk bearing capacity, these are core entrepreneur skills. This is very 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 simple. You need to, don't need to learn. Okay, just you think about any entrepreneur, like I'm thinking about myself. Okay, so what come in my mind if I want to start a business? First, for startup I need to take risk. So I have risk bearing capacity. Okay, the first word is risk bearing capacity. I can manage financial operation efficiently. Literally, yes. When I started this, I need to make videos, I need to do marketing, I need to talk to students, I need to make test series, I need to make notes. Each and everything I am doing by myself because I have taken this to make this brand. Okay, so risk bearing capacity, so that I can manage everything. I can hire also, but till then I can manage, I'm managing. Okay, then innovative ability, I should have innovative ability. If I am not innovating anything, there is no difference between me and some other coaching centers. There should be some difference. So innovative ability should be there in an entrepreneur. Perseverance means you are making sustainable efforts, because entrepreneur journey is never like this. Like when you do job, you are hired like fresher, then you got promote, and your life goes like this. But when you are entrepreneur journey, it is never like this. It is like this that, ऐसे ऐसे होता है. ऐसे कभी भी स्मूथ नहीं होता है कुछ भी. You have to be perseverance, so that you fight with challenges. I face everyday challenges, and I face them, and I fight with them, and then I come back, and then I fall also, I up also, and life goes like that. Responsibility, I should take responsibility. My investor have invested money in my startup, so I am responsible for his money, because I need to make money so that I can give return to him. I can give him returns to my investor. So I am responsible for that. For your success also I am responsible, because I am giving guarantee. So an entrepreneur should have been taken responsibility and have a responsible mindset. Next, the opportunity recognition. This is the most important, and most important. Opportunist people can a very good entrepreneur. If you are opportunist, you can be a very good entrepreneur, because it is all game of startup now. If you don't find anything problem anywhere, how can you solve that? And if you cannot solve that, how can you get opportunity? So whenever you get problem, think about opportunity. Can it convert into opportunity? Can you convert that problem to an opportunity? And then you can solve by opening a startup. So this is the most important quality. Now we're going to revise quick bit. Who is entrepreneur? One who take risk, invest in a business. Okay. Entrepreneur action means implementation plans. Innovation is something creating new. Risk taking means willing to operate under circumstances. Vision, looking forward strategically. Organization, systematical coordination of capital and labor. Enterprise, organizing business by entities. Employment, productivity. Economic development, organization through development, employment, productivity, and value chain. Now, core skills. This is very easy. That can become in examination. Risk bearing capacity. और क्या था? Innovation, pursuance, responsibility and opportunity recognition. Let's move to next slide. Now we are moving forward to dynamics. Dynamics मतलब thing which changes with time. ओके सो इंटरप्रेन्योर को इंटरप्रेन्योर कौन बनाता है, कौन उसको बोलता है कि आपको इंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है? कुछ तो ऐसे मन में होगा ना जो उसको इंटरप्रेन्योर बनाने के लिए मजबूर करता है. समथिंग इज देयर ना दैट मेक देम इंटरप्रेन्योर. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ड्राइवर्स दैट मेक अ पर्सन, नॉर्मल पर्सन टू एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो फर्स्ट मोटिवेशन क्या होता है उसका? फर्स्ट मोटिवेशन ये होता है बी योर ओन बॉस. देयर इज नोबडी who can question you, who can ask you why you are doing this, why you are not doing this. This is your office hour, you cannot eat, you cannot talk like that. Nobody will going to interfere in your business. They have their none of business in that. Okay, so for independence people want to become entrepreneur. हमको किसी का नौकर नहीं बनना है, इसलिए हमको एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है. ठीक है, so that is one driver. Second, idea implementation means you are just sitting somewhere and thinking कितना अच्छा आइडिया है ना मेरा, काश मैं इसको बना पाता तो आज मैं कितना अमीर होता. तो किसी किसी के अंदर चिल होती है कि वी नीड टू implement this idea because this is a super duper idea. So for implementing their idea they have to become entrepreneur. Then achievement motivation. Sometimes people seek for achievements, like they want to achieve more and more and more, and this is not every time possible in job. So for that maybe some people feel like achievement in entrepreneur will be more successful. Maybe they feel more successful after becoming entrepreneur, so that's their reason. Definitely a financial reward also. People can earn a limited amount of money in case of job, but can earn tremendous amount of money in startup. That's why they open startup, and that is their financial reward because they are taking risk now. They are taking risk. So why they will not get extra money for that? So if you now we are jumping to next corner which is barrier type. मतलब क्या रुकावटें आती है, ऐसी क्या चीज है जो आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने नहीं दे रही है, ऐसी कौन सी जंजीरें जो आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं बनने दे रही है? पहला, दिमाग. हमारा मन हमको करने नहीं देता वो काम. अगर आप जॉब में हो, आपको स्टेबिलिटी मिल गई है, आप अच्छा अर्न कर रहे हो, आपका दिमाग बोलेगा मेरा बहुत खुश हूँ, 10,000 कमा रहा हूँ ना, बहुत खुश हूँ, मेरे को नहीं कमाना 1 करोड़, मैं इतने में खुश हूँ. तो आपका जो दिमाग है वो आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ने देता. मेंटल बैरियर मीन्स योर ब्रेन, योर माइंड डज नॉट वांट टू टेक रिस्क of not getting this much money. If you have capacity of this also, but it cannot, you cannot convince him because it has risk. Okay, financial barrier. Every business needs some amount of money to start. So some people do not have money to start. They have passion, they want to do, they have all qualities of entrepreneur which we have studied earlier, but they don't have money. If they don't have money, how can they start? Seed money is very important. So financial barrier is there. Legal barrier. Legal barrier is something that I'll give one interesting example. One of my friend man was there in our batch and at IM. So he have a brilliant idea of making people out of drugs, and for that he want to make something interesting. So there he haven't made that because of legal barrier. After studying lots, he understood that legal barrier is there which restrict him for doing that, and he was like a 18-year-old kid. So for that point of time, he was thinking like it is creating a legal barrier to his growth and his personality and his business and everything. That's why he dropped and he have started something else. So legal barrier stops many people to do anything. Okay, technical barrier is something like have stopped me also. Let me give my example to you. One day I have sitting and just thinking about like I love shopping a lot. Uh, we should also have online trial rooms so that I can trial online and then buy things. And I should know that this dress will look good on me or not, like that. I was thinking that. Okay, so that is creating technological barrier. How? I don't know about how to create that. I don't know. I need a partner. I need funds. It will take lots of effort. So I dropped that. I was like, no, no, no. It's okay. I'll start a coaching center because I have expertise. I have seed money for this. I know what are the syllabus, who are my audience, who can buy from me, how to market it. I know everything of this industry, but I don't know anything about that industry. So that create a technological barrier because I cannot make an online trial room by myself. That create a technological barrier for me. So these are some barriers which stop entrepreneur to become an entrepreneur. Now we are jumping to the next topic, which is risk dimension. What type of risk? We are talking a long way. Risk, 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 risk. What are the risks? Now, founder risk. Founder risk means I am the founder of my brand. What if I'll die? Who will going to inherit in this business? So that is a founder risk. Product risk. What if you reject my this classes? What will happen if this batch will not succeed or I'm not get that much of profit that I was thinking? What will happen? So that is product risk. Market risk. Market risk, for example, I have started a offline coaching center in which I have a capacity of sitting of 200 students and suddenly COVID come. What will happen? My whole idea will collapse. So that is market. Market can change anything and everything anytime. You cannot trust. So that is market risk. Competition risk is that I am making something and someone else is also making that by copying me or copying someone else, and we are like competing each other. That is competitor risk. This is so easy. Like Zomato and Swiggy, competitors. Ola, Uber, competitors, like that. Execution risk is the most difficult risk in every business. It apply to me also. I used to think I will do this. I have plans like this and execution like this. So execution risk is something that we have plans but we are not executing. You want to go Goa, तुमको गोवा जाना है, तुमने प्लान कर लिया है, बट जा पा रहे हो क्या? जा पा रहे हो? नहीं मिल रही ना परमिशन, नहीं जा पा रहे हो. वैसे मेरे पास है इतने सारे प्लान, नहीं कर पा रही हूँ पूरे. तो execution risk is that. Okay. वैसे next topic is entrepreneur process. We have discussed entrepreneurship is a process. So we will discuss what is process and how to launch a product. If you want to start your business, I have also told, think about your business idea. We can discuss together. Okay. So for that, what process you need to follow? We are studying this. This is very important if you are very serious for startup. Okay, let's start. First, idea generation. You need to think about the idea and not only in the brain, but you need to check in the market. Is there any need? You are thinking that this is the problem and I'm solving it. Is that is the real problem? Is there nobody who is solving that? You need to check that first. Research, that was market research. Okay. Then feasibility. In this, you check what is a financial stability. If you invest this much of money, how much you are getting and how much time it will take. What is a payback period? You need to find that. This is feasibility. In this, we check, is it feasible to make? For example, you are solving a problem of rupees 10 by investing 100 rupees. So is it worth it? No. तुम 100 रुपए खर्चा करके 10 रुपए का कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे, उससे कुछ भी नहीं जाने वाला. इट्स बेटर नॉट टू ओपन दैट स्टार्टअप. सो विल गेट टू नो इन फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी. Then business plan. After you know your business is perfect, it is a feasible, you are solving a real problem, then you need to make a plan in which you will tell that this is my idea, how I will execute, who will going to help me, how will I fund my business, how I market it, how I'll sell it, what is research, what is permissions, what are the legal requirements, each and everything will cover in business plan. And if it will present to investor, it should also carry what is your cost, what is your profit, how much profit you will earn in how much year, what will be the return investor will get, how investor will get exit. These are bade terms which we will study in our further classes आराम से. Don't worry. I suggest you कि जब भी आप फ्री रहते हो, स्टार्ट वॉचिंग शार्क टैंक, बिकॉज शार्क टैंक में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आपको प्रैक्टिकली समझ में आएंगे, उनके बिजनेस में अप्लाई होते हुए, तो आपको बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी उससे. सो स्टार्ट वॉचिंग शार्क टैंक in your free time. Whenever you get time, just watch 1 2 episodes. It's interesting also. Okay, then next, resource mobility. Resource mobility means, resource mobility is something that you have resources, how you are using that. Maybe the studio can be used 24 into 7. Maybe somebody is using for rental business, I am using for my personal business. There are multiple use of same resources. So how you are using your resources, that is resource mobilization. You need to think what resources you need in your business, how you will use it, how you can optimum use it. Okay, then finally launch. After making your product viable, after research, everything, business plan, resource mobilization, you can launch your product and see how it is working. We will study minimum viable product in our further classes, in which I'll tell कि launch में हम always MVP लाते हैं, MVP हम launch में लेके आते हैं. This we will study further classes में. So now we are heading towards myth of startup entrepreneurship. This is very important topic that can come into the examination and very good for you to know what are the myth. मतलब ऐसे कौन से झूठ है जो हमको स्टार्टअप करने से रोकते हैं. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत पैसे लगते हैं स्टार्टअप करने के लिए, बट ऐसे नहीं है, बिकॉज बहुत का डेफिनेशन सबका अलग अलग होता है. It can be many for some other people, it can be few for some other people, so it can be differ to person. Okay, so myth number 1 is it need lots of capital. It don't need lots. Of course it need capital. So we are talking about capital myth, that it take too much capital. And then next is entrepreneur are born not made. It does not really matters. If you have skills or you can get skills, you can be entrepreneur. You should only have junoon to do that. You should have passion. You have passion to do. If you have passion, you can do it. It does not matter you are born or made, does not matter at all. Next is the idea is everything. If you have a great idea, you can do very good. It's not like that. Implementation is a key. If you have an idea and you are not doing anything, what will be the point? So idea is not everything, execution is everything. You need to execute the plan, change, do, plan, change, like that process is going on. Because I told you, entrepreneur is not like this, it is like this. So you need to plan everything, execute it and make it.